Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Braille. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She learned to read and write in Braille at a young age, allowing her to access written material independently. Braille is a system of touch reading and writing for blind individuals, in which characters are represented by raised dots arranged in a grid. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.